Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung S25 FE, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to get your toggles, and then in this area right here you want to swipe down again, and this will show you basically more toggles that are added by default. Now we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is visible right over here. Once you see this toggle first time around, you want to hold it and then click on Details, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now in here you can go through these options, customize them to fit your needs, and once you've done so, you can close this up. I do want to talk about two options in here though. So one will be for how long. This is a neat option that allows you to specify what will happen when you click on the toggle manually. And we have several options. So we have until you turn it off for a specified amount of time, which can increase right here, or ask you every time, which with the last option, it will bring up these two options for you to choose from every single time you press on the toggle. I personally like to select it on a timer, make it something like 4 hours so it covers whatever needs I might have for it now or in the future. And so whenever I enable it, it will run for exactly 4 hours and turn itself off. But this is just a kind of a precaution if I forget about it, because I would tend to want to turn it off myself. So if I forget about it, I want to have it cover whatever I will need it for at any point, and it will turn itself off. But if I remembered, I can do it myself. Now anyway, below that we also have the schedule, and this would allow you to select a fully automatic schedule, which would mean that the Do Not Disturb mode would turn itself on and off automatically at a specified day of the week and start and end time. If you're planning to use that, just make sure it's toggled on in here, and that's all you need to do. Now for the manual usage, once you have it all set, find the toggle and simply tap on it. So the way I have it right now set, it will run for 4 hours and then turn itself off. You can additionally hold this toggle again, and you can choose the timer right here. So if you want to maybe have it set in a different way than I did for the 4 hours, you can choose something else, and then you can always have the timer options right here by just holding the toggle and choosing that maybe you want to have it run for 4 hours or until you turn it off. So you can choose it from here on the go. So anyway, once you're done needing it, you can turn it off by finding this toggle and tapping on it once more. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.